Hi there, welcome back to Excel 2016. In this lesson, we are going to look at using the solver add-in tool. Right from the bat, this function or this tool does not come with Excel, so it has to be installed. Before I do the installation, before I show you how to install this add-in or add-on, as it is called in some cases, let me explain what's going on with the data here. At this moment, Treasure Notes is offering bubble tea, and they are selling at this cost for mango slush, pineapple shake, strawberry banana, honeydew smoothie. And we have been given parameters here on what to solve. That's why we need the solver tool, right? So the client is paying per item. They are asking us to calculate the highest total cost we could sell the treats for, could sell this bubble tea for. So this is what we're looking for. We are looking to calculate this cell here, cell D8. What is the highest total cost we could sell these treats for? So, okay. So in order to do that, we have to get a quantity for each of these items, and then that will calculate the cost for us. But we could do this manually, but honestly, I'm not a math person, and I know many of you watching are not either. And even if we are, it may take a little bit of time. Why not ask Excel to do it for us? So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so let's go get the solver tool. As I said, does not come with Excel from the box. So in order to get a solver tool, we are going to go to File, Options, and then go to Add-ins. From there, we'll go down to the bottom of this dialog box and click on where it says Manage Excel Add-ins. Click on Go and select Solver Add-in before you click OK. Okay, so by following that process, if we go to the Data tab, we'll see the solver tool at the extreme right hand side of the Data tab. So if we click on that, let's click on to bring it up, and this gives us the solver parameters to complete so that Excel can actually calculate the question for us. So what is the question again? Calculate the highest total cost we could sell the treats for. So what is the highest total cost? That is our objective. Right here is our objective. Okay, so we are going to click on this cell here, cell D8, to indicate that this is what we want to do. This is our objective, and we are looking at the highest total cost. That is the maximum, which is already selected for us here. Okay, if we were looking at the minimum, we would have selected this section here. Okay, that's logical, right? Now, what variable cells do we need to tell Excel to change? What section of these parameters do we want Excel to take control of so they can calculate the total cost? That will be the quantity of all the bubble teas. So from here to here, from mango slush, pineapple shake, strawberry banana, and honeydew. This quantity here, we want Excel to have access and control over the quantity that we can sell. Okay? So once we've done that, we're going to go to now we'll get to the fun part. We'll go to the constraint. So let's click on constraint. And the number one constraint is we need 500 bubble tea. So all put together, we need 500 bubble tea. So if we click add, and we are going to see the total number of bubble tea, which is this, should be equals to 500. Okay, so that's the first constraint, and we're going to add. So the second constraint is that at least each of at least 60 of each bubble tea must be sold. So at least 60 of each must be sold. So cell reference will be again to at least that is less than or equals to 60, and the cell reference will be this whole section right here. And the last constraint will be we cannot make more than 120 mango slush. So mango slush has to be less than or equals to 120, and the cell reference will be here. Okay, since that's the last constraint, we're going to click OK. Okay, so we're going to let Excel does its calculation, and now we're going to actually solve it. So what we've done here, we've set the objective. We've we've set the parameter as indicated here, that is the maximum or highest total cost of all the treats or bubble tea, and the variables that needs to be changed has been indicated, which is everything here, and the conditions or constraint has been identified. So the only thing that we are left to do now is to actually give Excel the go-ahead to solve by clicking solve. All right, there you go. So now we have our answer. So the total cost for we could sell the treats or the bubble teas is $1,395, and the quantities, because we said that we cannot remember, we cannot say it has to be at least 60 quantity for each dessert. So so we have 60 here, which makes up about a total of 240 in number, and there we go. That's what we have here. Okay, so play with this a little bit and download the solver tool, and then use that to play around and see how you can get better at this. Meet me on the other side where we're going to solve a little bit more complex calculation using the solver tool.